So this South African YouTube channel made 15,000 US dollars in revenue with 4.5 million views in 1 month. That is so crazy. Hi guys, I'm Pamelanga, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how this South African YouTube channel made crazy money in 1 month. So I've done similar videos where I've analyzed YouTube channels and Facebook pages that have made crazy money in 1 month, and I've explained strategies, methods that they use. So be sure to check that out if you want more details. Let's focus on this channel. As you guys can see on the screen, this is an analytics of this channel that was taken last month. So that is in the month of March. And the highest amount they made in 1 day was $865 in 1 day. Their RPM is $3.3. Their CPM is $7.3. And what's even more crazy is that based on the analytics of this month, April, they are doing really, really well. The last 28 days, they are bound to make another $15,000. So what kind of content does this channel make? This channel makes African content, documentaries, history-related content, really about bringing out Africa in different shapes and forms. If you're a YouTuber and you want to get started in producing African content, this is definitely an example for you to follow. African content has a place on YouTube and it is lucrative, so don't hesitate to start. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends, subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, follow, share and like our video. It's the best way of supporting us.